In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image from the web into Google Sheets. This is a straightforward process and can be done in just a few simple steps, making it easy to add visual aids to your spreadsheet for better presentations and enhanced data representation. Let's begin by locating the image you want to use on the web. This could be any image that you find suitable for your needs. Maybe it's a logo, a product image, or even a chart that you want to integrate into your spreadsheet. You want to make sure that the image is available online, and you have the proper rights to use it. Once you have your image picked out, the next step is to right-click on it. If you're using a Mac, you might use Control-click. You'll be presented with a menu, and from there, you'll want to select either Copy Image Address or Copy Image URL. What this does is it copies the web address of the image to your clipboard, allowing you to reference it in Google Sheets. With the image URL at the ready, it's time to head over to Google Sheets. Open up the spreadsheet where you want the image to be placed. If it's your first time doing this, you might want to try it out in a new sheet just to get comfortable with the process. In Google Sheets, you're going to enter a formula to display the image. Formulas in Google Sheets allow you to perform various functions, and inserting an image is just as simple thanks to its built-in functionalities. Navigate to the cell where you want your image to appear. Click into it so that you're ready to input your formula. Here's the formula you're going to use. Type =IMAGE, open parenthesis, and then paste the URL you copied earlier. Make sure to enclose the URL in quotation marks, and then close the parenthesis. It should look something like this: =image, open parenthesis, quotation mark, your URL, quotation mark, close parenthesis. Once you've entered the formula, you simply press enter. What this does is tell Google Sheets to fetch that image using the URL you provided, and then it displays it right there in the cell. By default, the image will be scaled to fit within the cell. It's as simple as that. You can adjust the cell size if you need a different appearance, or if the image isn't displaying correctly. And that's all there is to it. With these easy steps, you can visually enhance your Google Sheets with images directly from the web, making your data and presentations more engaging and informative. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to check out our other